crafters, this is Jerry with Crafty Stash, and I thought I would show you what I did with my Anna Griffin Christmas gift tag kit. And actually you can do this with any tag kit or tags that you make yourself. It's just a very simple way to make a bundle of cards. So what I did first was I made my card bases. You can get two A2 size cards out of a 8.5 by 11 piece of paper, cut it in half, fold those in half, and there you go. And then I cut a piece of patterned paper, cardstock, whatever you wish, and put that on top with a tiny bit of border around that. Those are my card bases. Then let me show you what the kit came with. It has 24 tags of all different kinds, and it has the embellishments, and those come baubles and trees and bells and presents of all different colors and that, and also the sayings that go along with. Now, what's cool about those is they are doubled. They're 3D'd, but the bottom is the same as the top. So if you very gently peel the sticky from the bottom part, you can get two. And gee, if I can save a penny, I will. I'll spend $1 and save a penny. But there you go with that. So what I did was just in this case, I just took a piece of scrap paper that I had, and I did these in all different colors of different types of, they're all from the same paper pack, and I just found one that matched a little bit and popped up. I also took from a diamond press set that I had just gotten. This is a banner, and it also came with the stamp, and I just popped that up a little bit there and used that same set, the diamond press, to use the sentiment for the inside. So you can do them in any color you like. You can either use those for the front. I took several of them and used the stamp set and stamped a bunch of them, cut them out, and then distressed the edges. It always looks so much more finished when you distress the edges of a white paper especially, but any paper. Somehow it just gives it more dimension. So there you go, and there's your card. Now I'll show you right here. These are stickers, and a lot of what she has, and you have to be careful. I, for the longest time, was putting glue on the backs of these, not realizing that it's a sticker. But there it is. It's a sticker. So this just happens to go with that paper, and we'll put that there, and then I'll do have a holly jolly on the inside, and maybe a Merry Christmas, there. We'll just see how that goes. But there you go. Very quick, very easy, and simple to make cards. So I hope that helped. And if you have any questions, you want me to do any special videos, I am happy to do so. Please comment, like, subscribe, all that great stuff. And I will see you real soon. You go craft. Bye-bye.